Now preparation number 7 from alkyl or aryl cyanide. Aryl cyanide. The reaction is called Stephen reaction. Stephen reaction. Here what happens? An alkyl cyanide is reduced. This is a sign of reduction, and the reducing reagent is stannous chloride plus concentrated HCl. This cyanide or nitrile will be reduced to at first CH double bond NH. Imine. With it there may be excess of HCl attached, then imine hydrochloride. This imine on hydrolysis, here oxygen will be added and here H2 will be added. You will get RCHO plus NH3. This will be evolved as a gas and you will get aldehyde. So by Stephen's reactions also you can get aldehyde. This is from cyanide. Now another reagent which can be used to prepare an aldehyde from cyanide, this is dival H. That means diisobutyl aluminum hydride. I am writing in capital letter DIBALH. Diisobutyl aluminum hydride. CH3 whole 2 CH CH2. This is whole 2 aluminum and then H. Aluminum has trivalent 2 valency with this group, isobutyl group, and there is another valency. This dival H, that is diisobutyl aluminum hydride, will reduce the alkyl cyanide to imine, same as that compound. This is on hydrolysis will produce aldehyde. This is important because if you take an unsaturated aldehyde, say this is an unsaturated aldehyde, this is aldehyde group and there is a double bond. Here if you use here this reagent dival H, if you here use dival H, that means diisobutyl aluminum hydride, then the double bond will remain unchanged. Double bond will not be affected, double bond will remain unchanged, and you get CH2, this compound is CN, C triple bond N. You will get CH2CHO. Intermediate compound will be imine and the final compound is CHO. That means the double bond will be unaffected by using this reagent. Now another process. Aldehydes and ketones are very important chapter and somewhat large also. There are so many preparations and properties in this compound. Now another possibly is 9, chapter 9, preparation or procedure 9 from alkene. From alkene, if you take an alkene, say RCH double bond CHR, and if you add ozone, you know ozonization of alkene, then product will be RCH CHR, then oxygen here. This is ozonide, and this on hydrolysis in presence of zinc, there will be rupture of bond here. Bond will break up here with this dotted line, and we will get RCHO, 2 molecules of aldehyde. Now if these hydrogens are 2 H atoms, you will get formaldehyde. If these 2 hydrogen atoms are alkyl group, you will get ketone. This is a process of number A, from alkene. Another process by which you can prepare aldehyde, this is Walker process. Walker process, by which you can prepare only acetaldehyde from ethylene, say CH2 double bond CH2. It is reacted with palladium chloride solution in presence of little cuprous chloride. Then ethylene will be oxidized to CH3CHO, and palladium chloride will be reduced to palladium. This cuprous chloride will react with palladium to form again palladium chloride. You have probably read about this in class 11. This is from alkene. Now from alkyne. From alkyne, number 10, from alkyne. Hydration reaction. This is also you have seen in class 11. Hydration reaction. Say you have taken acetylene. If you take acetylene and this undergo hydration reaction. Hydration means additions of water. Here you have to take dilute H2SO4, 20% H2SO4 in presence of mercuric ion as catalyst, mercury chloride, mercury oxide or mercuric sulfate, and temperature 60 to 70 degree centigrade. Here 1 molecules of water will be added. From 20% H2SO4 means 80% water. This water will be added to alkyne, forming H. OH H2O means OH and H. So 1 H will be added here, triple bond will be double bond, and 1 OH will be added here. Now you see, this OH group is a functional group, but it is attached with active carbon, double bonded carbon. There will be, so this is unstable. So there will be replacement reaction or rearrangement reaction. 1 H will come here from here. You will get CH3CHO. This is acetaldehyde. Now in place of HC triple bond CH, if you take CH3C triple bond CH, next higher homologue of alkyne, and do the same reaction, you will get acetone CH3CO CH3. These are the preparations of aldehydes and ketones.